Septic tank. The people put a maybe 1 inch pipe for the vent, which is a lot of rubbish, and buy the plug, the concrete plug, and then at the side of the tank take at least a 1 inch pipe, or bigger if you want, and take the pipe and put it right up as high as you can. This one's on a light pole, and then just put a T on it, and that's the vent. Then the pipe just goes straight down. And under the garden, Levi's sitting on my tank, so maybe about 6 or 8 inches down, just knock a hole in the concrete pipe and vent it. And the small one there, forget about it, and you have no problems at all. But right up there, no problems at all. Same with if the rainwater, or the, what do you call it, the overflows for the kitchens and the bathrooms and all that, or the waste disposal, I just put an open drain like that, and then that's the shower and the toilet in here, and I just take it into the open drain and let it flow out of the property. Then take the water here, then open here, open the wall, and just take the pipe straight across here. Then down here, make access hatches to clean it. Then the pipe can go over there and feed the bananas. So basically all your wastewater, you use it, and you can feed bananas and stuff like that. All the way up here is water running from the resort, and we use it to use the water for the garden. But this way is great. So no run pipes, no problem. The drainage from the roof goes straight into the drain and straight out, and always make a concrete path round the house and angle it down to the drain, and no problems at all. And also overhang your house by 1 metre. Give your house plenty block for the sun, and when the wind starts to come, it doesn't land on your house. Same again, put a small plastic tank in the garden. Then here, bring the pressure from the tank for the pump, the pump over here, and then basically take it into your shower. If you don't put a pump on it for your shower, you'll not get the pressure. That's the pressure off the pump. If you take the pressure off just the tank, a high level tank, then it's a waste of time. There you are. So that's a septic tank and the drains. And no problems, easy to look after, none of this shit, digging up pipes and blockages. If I've got a problem, if I had a problem, I've only got to rod it by, I don't know, 1.5 metres, and I can clean it every time. So, but then if possible, try to keep your pipes as well, your PVC pipes, outside the shower room and the bathroom, and take them up the walls, because when you fit the taps in that, and fittings, they always rust and fall off, and very, very difficult to get the fitting out the wall. It's because it's behind the tiles. So when you buy these fittings, buy the brass, and make sure the tap is good quality. None of your shitty 5 or 10 baht taps. Buy maybe a couple of 100 baht tap, and you got no problems. Easy to use, and they work great. That's it. You can buy brass ones as well. I've seen brass taps in the Global House. So that's your septic tank in the ground, and it is vented. Okay. What do you think, Levi? Levi? What do you think? You happy? That's my dog. So that's it. So, on we go. Got another job today.